Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're talking dryers, and unfortunately our dryer is screaming, squealing, and screeching, making a lot of noise. We're gonna try something. Let's go take a look. All right, YouTubers, we are inside the laundry room, and every time we press play, this is what happens. Very loud. Very obnoxious. And the sound is coming from the rear portion and the far low point. So what I recommend doing first is lightening your load. Try putting half of your laundry back in the washing machine and making a lighter load to decrease the weight and stress on your belt down by the idler pulley. All right, YouTubers, half the load is in the washing machine and it will wait. Let's try if a lighter load helps. Okay, so far so good. So what we will do now is dry that load in two separate loads. And we're going to order some parts. We are going to order the rollers. There's 4 total with our Samsung dryer. And we are also going to order the idler pulley. So in the event that you have that obnoxious sound, chances are it is one of those items. Either your idler pulley or your rollers. And in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to replace your idler pulley or rollers, definitely check out the video links down below in the comment section as well as the description section. So hopefully this helps you at least dry your wet load of clothes and buys you time to purchase those new parts. Hopefully we will see you at the next video, YouTubers. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and we would really appreciate it. Again, lighten your load, decrease the amount of weight and pressure on the drum, thus decreasing the amount of workload for your idler pulley and rollers.